How to register Wells Fargo mobile banking account. If you want to register for Wells Fargo mobile banking, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Wells Fargo application. Now if you have already registered, by the way, you can just enter your username and password and tap the sign on button to sign into your mobile banking. But if you haven't, you can tap on the enroll option, and on the next page just verify your details. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you have to simply enter your SSIN or ITIN. So enter your social security number. It says let's set up your online access, or your tax identification number. Enter your date of birth as well according to the legal details. So this is assuming you already have an active bank account on Wells Fargo but just want to set up online access only. You can also select you don't have an SSN or ITIN if you don't have those, but you can select that. On the next page you should be able to choose password, username and email address for yourself, and upload a couple of documents as well and verify a couple of information, which after you'll be able to finish setting up your online access and log into your account. So I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.